Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. And if you're new, hello, my name is Ashley and I do homemaking style videos such as organizing, cleaning motivation, and decorating videos. So if that is something you're interested in, feel free to hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join my small but growing YouTube community. And I love chatting with y'all in the comments as well. So please feel free to chat with me down in the comments section. And if you have any questions, leave those down in the comment section as well. All right, y'all, so today I'm doing a tablescape and everything I purchased was from Dollar Tree. Now I did get all of these items at the beginning of March, and so there wasn't really a lot out just yet. So I did use some things that I had from Walmart and the Target Dollar Spot, also known as the Target Bullseye. So I would say about 15% of the items are from Walmart and the Target Dollar Spot. All of the rest is from Dollar Tree. I did have to DIY a few things, so you're definitely gonna get a bonus when it comes to that because I show you what I did. And all I did was use some spray paint and glue for these DIYs. So it really wasn't too difficult at all. And I did do these a couple days ago so that way everything would be dry. Because like I said, I did use some spray paint and I just wanted to make sure that it was dry. So let's jump right in. I'm gonna show you some of the DIYs I did and then I'm gonna start decorating this table. All right, y'all, so first I wanted to show you the items that I got at Dollar Tree. I got a plastic tablecloth and some faux flowers, and I was really impressed with their lavender flowers this year at Dollar Tree. I thought they were really nice. Now, before I move on, I did want to mention that I purchased these items at the beginning of March, and I was hoping to offer the suggestion to go to their website and purchase any of these items you like on their website, but it is down for the time being. So something you could do is maybe shop your house, repurpose some things if you were wanting to do a spring tablescape. These windmill welcome signs, I am actually going to DIY a little bit later, along with brightening up these decorative golden plates. I also grabbed some greenery and a glass vase, and I grabbed wrapping paper because I was gonna DIY it into a table runner, but ended up using something else, as you'll see later in the video. I was really excited about this decorative nautical rope that I implemented into a DIY as well. I also got these pizza pans and burner covers to have as options and sizing for DIY as well. These carrots were actually purchased from the Target Dollar Spot and they were so pretty, I could not pass them up. I'm going to be using the Rust-Oleum brand spray paint in the color Heirloom White for my DIYs today. I'll also be using the 527 glue, but you can use a hot glue gun as well. All right, y'all, this was so simple. It didn't even really feel like it was a DIY, but I'm gonna spray paint the decorative plates, candle taper holders, and the glass vases. I did forget to show you me spray painting these burner holders, but I used the larger one for a DIY that you'll see me using later on in the video. I did have to move into the garage because it was a bit windy this day, so heads up, if it's windy outside, use your garage. Otherwise, the spray paint is going to go everywhere. The next thing that I'm going to do is take these windmill welcome signs and cut off the stand so that all I have to work with is the actual decorative windmill by itself.
And repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey.
The little button came off easy. The stand was a little harder to remove, so I did end up calling my husband in for backup, and he was able to get it off effortlessly for me.
Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Be with you is like being on the rodeo. How
Now I had to remove the button to get the windmill separated from the stand, so I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it back on and let this dry overnight. All right, y'all, now for the fun part. Let's get started decorating. I'm using the table runner that I purchased from Walmart. This was only $7, so I felt like it was still fitting price-wise to use in this tablescape, and it's actually the same runner I used in my last tablescape video. This is the cake stand that I made out of the burner cover and vase from the Dollar Tree. I forgot to film this, but all I did was spray paint the vase and the top of the burner cover. Then I glued them together centered. It was really simple and I was so happy with the outcome. And as you can see, I was trying to give you a really good look at it since I didn't show you when I spray painted and glued them together, but I promise y'all, it was so simple and one of my favorite out of all the DIYs. So next I take the nautical rope and I just twisted it into what kind of looks like a coaster. Now I do end up gluing this together later, but I didn't at this time because I wasn't sure if I was even gonna like it, but I ended up liking it and I did untwist it, and then when I twisted it back, I used glue to keep it held together permanently.
Bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend.
These are the glass vases that I spray painted white, and I really loved how they turned out. I'm really liking the color.
The wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real.
These lamb ears I actually got at Walmart, but they were only $2, so I thought they were still a really good price point.
Hold on to a helping hand sometimes. We could all use a friend.
Now, as you see, these two glass vases I not only spray painted, but I actually added glue to the rope and wrapped it around the top of the vase just to give it some added texture. These are the glass candle tapers that I spray painted, and 2 of the 4 I wrapped twine around, tied it in a bow to keep it in place, and I just really liked how it looked. Y'all, once again, this lavender from the Dollar Tree is so beautiful. I loved the pop of color that it gave this tablescape as well.
That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. There will be someone waiting down the line.
So Dollar Tree had some really cute plastic planners that I could have just spray painted white, but I already had these from Hobby Lobby, so I decided to use what I had on hand.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
These are the decorative carrots that I got from Target Dollar Spot, and I also got some decorative wooden eggs. All I'm gonna do is take these items and kind of just play around with them until I like the way that they look.
That you thought you should didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
Alright y'all, time to implement these cute dollies that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's a subtle touch, but I thought it to still be a very pretty added layer to this tablescape.
It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this?
I'm gonna add these decorative mats that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. Then I'll layer it with my decorative plates that I spray painted from Dollar Tree and my white plates that I got from Dollar Tree as well.
It'll be alright.
I'm going to take this craft fabric that I got from Dollar Tree and fold it to look like a napkin, as you'll see, and place it in between the decorative plate and the actual plate for an added touch of color. And I loved the pastels. I thought it was perfect for spring.
You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stone. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how.
So these are actually hand towels that I got at the Target Dollar Spot, but I thought they would look really pretty to use as decorative napkins for the two spots at the head of the table. These wooden eggs and the egg holders were from the Target Dollar Spot as well.
I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright.
I'm going to use these decorative windmills as a unique added layer to the plates just to give it more of that farmhouse look.
Waiting down the line.
All right, y'all, so here is the close-up of the completed tablescape. Let me know in the comments below how you thought it turned out.
Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. There will be someone waiting down the line. I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out.
All right, friends, that's all for today. But before I go, I wanted to let you know that I'm so grateful for each and every one of you who tune in. And if you enjoy these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you're notified when future videos are posted. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much when you do. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.
I'm crazy, it's just the